We were lost in sin, estranged from grace, deserving wrath, yet God made space. Not just a truce, not compromise. He gave His Son the perfect price. Through Christ alone, the veil was torn, our hearts restored, no longer worn. He bore our guilt, removed the stain. Now peace with God forever reigns. Reconciled, not just resolved, in mercy deep, our hearts evolve. No sin remains, no debt to pay. In Christ we walk the narrow way. He calls us now to do the same, to share His love, proclaim His name. The ministry of grace we bear, to show the world His tender care.